Hi, I'm Ethan Soo. I'm a Scrum Trainer and a Scrum Fellow at Scrum Inc. I'm proud to work with Marc Ellis to bring you some of the best Agile courses to the GCC region. So what we do is that we are about 15 to 20 individuals selected by Dr. Sutherland to represent him and Scrum Inc. to coach the younger trainer and mentor the younger trainers. So these 15 to 20 people in the world are the elites of the elites of the trainers at Scrum Inc. So I myself, I'm Ethan Soo. Besides being a Scrum Fellow, I am also a regional partner of Scrum Inc. Now, what I do is that Dr. Sutherland entrusted me to find the next generation of trainer. So I'll find the next generation of trainer, I'll train them, I'll coach them, I'll mentor them, I'll make sure that the next generation of trainer will be able to talk about the knowledge, the Scrum from Dr. Jeff Sutherland. So what makes Scrum Inc. So special is that the knowledge is from Dr. Jeff Sutherland himself. That's the original knowledge. Scrum Inc. is very much focused on delivering results. So we are looking at the Agile industry nowadays when we are seeing more and more people just take certificates after certificates after certificates. So you have 10, 20 certificates, right? So to Scrum Inc., that's not the way to go. What we really want the next generation Agile practitioner, Agile trainer, Agile coaches to be is to be able to go into an organization and create instant impact. We want you to deliver result and business outcome, more revenue, less cost, hybrid productive team, things like that. So to Scrum Inc., right, it's not good enough just to use the process, just to do a daily stand-up meeting and things like that. That to us, that's not good enough. To Scrum Inc., all of us, right, we would love to go into organizations, be able to deliver result and impact. We are always measured by the result and impact that we created. So that's what's unique about the Scrum Inc. knowledge and Scrum Inc. itself. The story got started when Dr. Sutherland in 1983 joined a company called Midland Continentals, right? So he solved business problem for them, and he took over a money-losing business unit, and he's able to, in 6 months' time, turn around it so that it's making money. Initially, before he came in, it's like losing money. The cost exceeds the revenue by 30%. So when he's done with that, after 6 months, the revenue exceeds cost by 30%. So it's a 60% turnaround. And the solution he created there evolved to become Scrum at Scale to solve the organizational problem, and Scrum to solve the team level problem. And that's how all the Scrum knowledge gets started, right? Hey, that's a lot of information. Partnering with Marc Ellis, we are confident we will be able to bring you some of our best Scrum classes to you in the GCC region to help you to be a great Agile practitioner. We hope to see you in class. Bye-bye.